the secret that big tire shops don't want you to know. The best tire shine that lasts up to 6 months. An experienced employee shared this extremely economical trick with me. I've never seen a tire sealant as good as this one. To start this wonderful tip, you'll only need a small amount of paint thinner. It's very affordable, and you can find it at any construction supply store. Here's the most important part for this to work. When the styrofoam, made of expanded polystyrene, is diluted with a solvent, like a paint thinner, there's a partial dissolution of the polystyrene. This creates a viscous mixture that, when dried, forms a substance similar to glue. The resulting adhesiveness is due to the polystyrene becoming sticky during the dissolution process. Next, you'll need a highly pigmented and resistant black dye. This will give the color we need to make the tires even blacker. This wonderful trick is a substance that makes a vehicle's wheels shine amazingly. So not only do the tires look impressive, but they also gain better protection on the road. This recipe provides one of the longest-lasting sealant formulas. The liquid dye is a paint widely used in construction materials. It blends well with everything from cement to tire rubber. It's ideal to maintain this consistency. Following that, we'll divide the tire with tape so that we can notice the difference between the sections. Most of the time, products suitable for not harming any part of your car have a higher cost and may not be worth the investment. After all, it's always good to save when possible, especially in times of crisis, like the ones we've experienced recently. I myself was tired of spending on expensive tire polishing products, only to lose the shine in just a few weeks. When they finally revealed this sensible and economical trick to me, I started using it exclusively in this way. You can use it on cars, motorcycles, and even trucks. In addition to providing a shiny and renewed appearance to the tires, this product also plays a crucial role in maintenance. Its special formula not only enhances the aesthetics, but also protects the tires against aging effects, such as discoloration and drying caused by exposure to the sun. By using this trick, you not only enhance your vehicle's aesthetics, but also extend the lifespan of your tires, ensuring safer and more durable driving. Best regards, and see you in the next video.